Hey everyone, Jay with Back in the Pocket. Alright, so this is the second bonus lesson I kind of wanted to throw into here. Again, the basic beat is going to be the same, but this one's going to be a little bit trickier because we're going to actually do what's called 16th notes. What might be helpful is just kind of watch through the practice part of it and you'll see what I'm doing. Let me just kind of play it out for you. But basically same thing, we're crashing on 1 every 2 bars, and the only thing we're doing is we're throwing this fill on the and of 4 going into that crash. So the way it would sound, or doing it without drums, would be like crash 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a crash 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a crash 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a crash. There again, we're basically doing what's 16th notes, and the way you count 16th notes is 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So if you remember, we count quarter notes 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 16th notes, which is just, again, thinking about your basic math, we've gone from like 1, now we've doubled it, and now we've quadrupled it. So now we're doing 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. All we're doing, again, is leading into that crash. And again, you'll hear this a lot in songs, and you can do that. I mostly did it, I think in the video I just did it on snare, but eventually we'll get to where you can move that to the different toms and everything, and you end up with a lot of different sounds with the same rhythm. It's basically the same thing, 75 BPM. We're gonna hit the crash on 1, and then on 4, there again, you're gonna hit 4, snare drum in your hi-hat, and then is gonna be, and then crash. So there again, I'll sing it out one more time for you. So crash, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a crash, and 2, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a crash, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, crash, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a crash. You can see, singing out loud, it helps because you're saying it, but it takes a little practice too. But you'll see it in the video. I'd say watch the video, see what I'm doing. Of course, we're gonna start with the right hand leading. So we'll be right-handed, but doing 8th notes, and then 4, it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a crash. Watch the video, you'll see it. Keep watching the practice part of the video, and then we'll come back, switch it up and do left hand. That might be a little bit more challenging. I'll see you when we get to the left hand. Let's do it. All right, hopefully that made sense. Hopefully the right hand went well. Hopefully you kind of locked in with the 16th notes, the fill going into the 1. Now we're just going to reverse it. So it's a little bit more challenging because especially if you're right-handed, whatever your dominant hand is, and switching over to the left, because it does get a little bit trickier. And you might need to slow it down. There again, recommend getting a metronome app so that you can slow things down as much as you need to, and you can take the concepts or the exercises that you're getting and just, run them at whatever speed you want to run them at. But anyway, starting with the left hand, so there again, crash and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, crash, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4, crash, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. Left-handed or your weak hands can be challenging. So give it a shot. We're at 75 BPM, so we are a little bit faster. We're on a higher tempo that we did last time. But if you need to slow it down, get you a metronome app and just slow it down. All right, great job. I hope the left hand went well. It can definitely be trickier. I mean, there again, it's tricky for me to try to sing that and do that even with, even away from the drums. It's kind of weird. Take this and practice it. This is a great exercise. In most songs, you're not going to be doing a fill every 2 bars. So don't make that make your habit. Well, what you'll hear is a lot of times you're going to hear these fills going into like the verse, and then you'll hear, you'll play the normal beat just through the verse, and then as it's building into the chorus, you might hear something like that on the drums, whether it's just, on the snare drum, whether it's going around the toms. you'll hear something similar to that with that crash on 1. Hopefully these 2 bonus exercises just takes you, even one step further there again, being able to hit the crash when keeping the beat without kind of losing your time. And same thing with this, it's easy to, hear that and sometimes you want to rush, and then, it's harder to, the more notes you're trying to play and squeeze in there, it's harder to stay with the metronome. It just takes practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get. I'll be back with more lessons, more videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.